Shanta Century Beauty Dress Co. Limited was established in 1997 and is located in Gurao Town, a famous underwear town in China. For more than 20 years, Century Beauty has continuously invested in R&D and innovation to ensure that its products and services are always at the forefront of the industry. We have always taken the health and comfort of products as the core, using yarn technology to weave special elastic stretch fabrics, combining ergonomics and human mechanics principles, scientific cutting, and have created and own more than 100 product patents. Century Beauty has been participating in various famous underwear exhibitions. As the most watched Canton Fair in China, we have been displaying various diversified products developed from an innovative perspective since 2015. The diversity of our products has attracted customers from all walks of life to stop and watch and talk. Every conversation contains infinite possibilities. We cherish every communication with potential partners, understand the unique needs of each partner, and provide the best cooperation plans and services. Shanta Century Beauty Dress Co. Limited, with its professional technology, diverse products, and international vision, is committed to becoming a leading brand in the global shapewear industry. We look forward to working with you to create a better future.